hey, instead of leading users to an external page where they can buy, just leading them inside a page with a countdown. This countdown is over already, where they can buy inside the webinar. And yeah, that's hidden, time-based. And yeah, people can fill out. And even if there is a thank you page, which would reload the webinar page, we can have it reloaded inside the iframe. So this stays here and the webinar wouldn't be reloading. Also, when you have an appointment plugin and it leads to some thank you page, everything will be inside here. Just tick the open in iframe setting. Yeah, thank you very much. And yeah, I hope that's helping.